and welcome to this webinar. Today we talk about cryptocurrency investment. Almost every day clients asking us about the best cryptocurrency to invest in. Therefore, we would like to give you an overview and a comparison of what crypto to buy in 2022. Please always keep in mind that crypto investments are very volatile and high risk. Furthermore, we'd like to point out that we are only holding Bitcoins but no other cryptocurrency ourselves. This is not a financial advice. It's just our opinion and no offer to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. If you start to invest, it is on your own risk. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, welcome to the IMI Academy. As usual, let us introduce ourselves first and give you a couple of notes about us. The IMI Academy is the educational arm of IMI Blockchain, an independent leader in DLT based in the Crypto Valley of Switzerland. With us, you can learn all about blockchain and cryptocurrency online. This webinar is an extract from our latest blog post. Follow the link below to read the full story. Today's agenda contains the following points. After an introduction, we will show you our comparison chart of what crypto to buy 2022. The top 12 investments, the highest rated for this year. Then we will explain to you the factors you should take into account when choosing the best cryptocurrency to invest in. The next point is about an in-depth look into the top 12 cryptos from our chart compared with the factors we've talked about before. So, we tell you what cryptocurrency to invest in 2022, but also why it is the best. For those of you who are looking into cheap crypto investments and cryptos with huge potential to grow, we will talk about upcoming cryptocurrencies which might explode in 2022. Finally, we tell you what the best cryptocurrency is best for you. And last but not least, we will do a little wrap up of our today's webinar with some key takeaways. Before we start, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Marcel and I'm the founder and CEO of IMI Blockchain. I'm an economist and studied blockchain technology as well. Since 2009, I am a crypto enthusiast and founded IMI in 2019. Let's clarify first what this webinar is not about. It's not a technical guide, nor is it filled with technical details. We keep it simple. And it's not a primer, but we do offer more detailed courses on our website. Visit imiblockchain.com and navigate to Learn Blockchain. There you will find courses with certification or other free webinars like this one. You can take crypto classes to learn everything about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And finally, you can learn blockchain programming as well. We deliver coding tutorials for all major programming languages. So, people are tired of using an intermediary when it comes to investments. This is why cryptocurrencies came in place and they are traded directly between the buyer and seller. As blockchain adoption increases in the mainstream sector, so has cryptocurrency. More projects than you can easily remember are available to be invested in. The question for everyone looking to invest in 2022 is, what is the best cryptocurrency to invest in? The top 5 cryptocurrencies in 2022 are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana, and Ripple. Ha! Now, we already told you the top 5 cryptocurrencies in 2022. But let's dig deeper. If you want to know what cryptocurrency to buy in 2022, here is our chart with the top 12 highest rated crypto investments for 2022. Number 1, Bitcoin, the giant, with a market capitalization of 807 billion US dollars. It's a must-have cryptocurrency in every investor's portfolio. Number 2, Ethereum is the must-have cryptocurrency if you believe in the future of blockchain technology and smart contracts. Its market cap is $386 billion. Number 3, Binance Coin makes cheap trading even cheaper on Binance.com. Is by far the world's leading crypto exchange platform with a daily trading volume of 13 billion US dollars. As we will talk about each coin later on in detail, let's go through number 4 to 12 in fast forward. Number 4 is Tether, 5 Solana, 6 Cardano, 7 Ripple, 8 US dollar coin, 9 is Terra, 10 goes to Polkadot, 11 Doge, the meme coin, and 12 goes to Litecoin. Here are a few factors you must consider before you decide to invest in a particular cryptocurrency. Longevity. The longer a cryptocurrency has been around, the greater its chances and the lower your risk. While market price history and trading volume are not indicatives of future prices, it can still be helpful when making decisions. The blockchain technology behind a crypto can be an indicator of who wins. The grade of digital innovation is for sure a big piece of decision making. And there are many more factors you should take into account before you invest in a cryptocurrency, from developer activity all the way down to how much you want to invest. Now let's answer the question, what is the best cryptocurrency to invest in 2022? Let's face it again before we go into details. First, you should ask yourself which crypto project is innovative enough to invest in. As most cryptocurrencies are blockchain tokens, it's all about winning the game with its ecosystem in the future. New cryptos from ICO startups may have potential, but don't forget about the risks, as you can lose all your money. Which cryptocurrency will rise in 2022? Below is the list of upcoming cryptocurrencies to watch out for. Let's look at 5 cryptocurrencies we believe they could explode in 2022. Number 1 is ETH BTC 2x long, aka Polygon. A cheap way to bet on Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. Number 2 is Zodiac DAO. Look at the features this protocol has to offer, and then you understand why this crypto must explode sooner or later. Number 3 on our list is Oracle. It's the best crypto for NFT games. If you believe in NFT gaming, this is the one to invest into. Number 4 is for tourism investors. Balicoin could be our next PayPal solution in tourism. It got huge potential for sure. Finally, our number 5 cryptocurrency to watch out for in 2022 is Baby Shibnobi. It's a community-driven meme project. It will vaporize all meme coins in its path. In the beginning, it is best to buy Bitcoin. BTC is always a good investment, at any time and at any price. Those who already own Bitcoin will most likely extend their investment portfolio. Ethereum, Binance, Coin, and Solana are great options to diversify your wallet. Advanced crypto investors will then buy one or more of the upcoming cryptocurrencies. Zodiac DAO or Oracle are great profit opportunities with huge potential to make a lot of money. While investing in the crypto market, without doubt, it's the biggest, best, and most promising investment market in the world. Finding a good cryptocurrency to invest in can prove to be tricky. If one gets it right, digital currencies are capable of giving the investor a massive ROI with the shortest of time. Major cryptocurrencies are very good for investments, but investing in a promising new cryptocurrency is just buying Bitcoin from zero, a risk that then can be accompanied by a ride to the jackpot. Consider to book a crypto consultation to learn all about cryptocurrency trading. This is it. We came to the end of our today's webinar. We hope this information will also let your investments explode. If you have more questions or need further information, then please visit us at imiblockchain.com. Thanks for watching and see you soon again with other exciting topics to learn all about blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Bye guys!